This device right here has saved me time and money. And why is this thing so important? Well, uneven logs. Stacking your logs uneven just creates a big problem. If you're selling it, it just doesn't look right. It looks, well, wonky. It should look like this. Solid firewood stack that's going to last you all winter long through all those windstorms and all the different things that it's going to go through. This simple tool. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a simple DIY homemade tool that will make your firewood game on another level. Now, whether you're selling firewood for a business or you're just cutting it up at home, this tool is going to make things a heck of a lot easier on your life. I know it has for me. It saved me time and money. Let's check it out. You may have seen this weird little device sitting behind me. Kind of looks like a fishing pole. Well, that's what it is. Let's check out how I built it. So all I did, it was really simple. I went into the garage and I had an old fishing pole. I cut that thing, but it's important. I cut it here and I cut it here, right where the fishing pole ends up together, so I could slide it in and out. They're different sizes. This one is a 16-inch. I have a 21-inch and an 18-inch as well. Then I took a magnet. This was a Mighty magnet. It has a little adapter here. I just screwed it right into there, and then I attached it to the side of my chainsaw, and it does this. And another reason, when you're stacking firewood as a homeowner, it's just a lot easier to stack the same size log rather than putting two different logs up there together and trying to stack them. They get like this, and it's just no good. And I'm sure there's going to be a lot of you out there that are going to say, well, you know, I do it the old school way, or I have this cool machine that takes and hits spray paint every so often as they go down there. That's true. That's just another thing. You have cost of spray paint, and that costs you money. We're talking about saving money. This device, I can reuse over and over and over again. Let's check it out and see how it works. So we'll do a live demo here of how this actually works in a second, but I'm just going to show you. Essentially, this has that magnet for a reason. You just stick it on there, and it'll be a great marking tool for you. Is it strong enough? We're going to find out. Another way to do it, see these little portholes right here? These portholes, you could take a bolt and a couple of washers and stick it through there, and take this and attach it to the other end, or any type of stick and mechanism you do yourself. And if you have done that, tell me what it's like down in the comments. I'd like to know your invention. Now, essentially what we're going to do, we're going to take this, depending on which side of the log you're on, you can put it on either side. I'm going to run down the log this way, so you're going to see me put it on this side. And what that does is it allows me to cut 16 inches, and then the next 16, and 16 inches, after 16 inches, after 16 inches. You see, what I like to do is just go ahead and use this thing as a marker. I don't really have it on the entire time I cut the log.
All right, so let's get to it. You're obviously not going to be able to hear me, but you'll see what I'm doing.
Let's do your chainsaw warmed up. You're going to go ahead and attach this. That's where the storm came.
And that's that. And if you found any of this information helpful, make sure you click the like button and subscribe, maybe the notification button for the next video that we come out. Whether it's a new tool, or some other product that we're reviewing, some mechanic job, or some other DIY project that's going on. See, and you just repeatedly go down the line like that.